Here's your ticket death. Tricky, tricky, tricky. It wants to hit it. I'm not going long here. You might see a little spasm, but it wants to get to 1950. Let's try to find a short. Did we fill? Okay, let's see what happens. What if 2 by 8? Ooh, that's pretty far. That's all right. We are the ticket death. We need a double top here. Triple top. We're the ticket death. If it goes below here, this looks good. It should make it to 19 and a quarter. Our blue line is here. I'm going to put it one above the blue line. Yep, that is the blue line. And one above, just so I know I get filled. This becomes a magnet. There we go. Boink. Now let's see what happens. This is where we see conclusionary selling come in. They tried to buy it. So this is our breach point again. This is where we'd expect to see a reversal. This thinness in the book, this is a splatter. That's a very good sign. And let's rearm. Not paying attention here. Here's a breach point. There's your breach point again. Once the pressure comes in the book, this bot's going to jump on it. I don't know when it's going to come in, but if buying pressure, oops, it may fail here. Let's pay attention. If this bottom rips out, we're going to want to go short. We're not, we're long. And these are very tight stops, but I think it's fine. This is another breach point. The buying came in. Splatter. There's no reads for book pressure here or in sweep. That means the book got swept out on a conclusionary sell. Another breach point. Please go up or down. No can tell. But we're in. We're tucked. And this is a safe target because, you know, we should get to 22-ish or 20. And gappy, buying pressure. Badink, no fill. Badink, filled. Rearm it. Let's see what we got. There you go. Buying. This thing's way oversold. We're going to look for pullbacks now. So now we look for selling conclusionary again. Here was the selling conclusionary, a splatter in the book, which we have some documentation about. We should put more up, or what I call a splatter in the book. That's where you get no readings in book pressure. There's nothing in there. They've concluded. And I think where's the last time? This is the next warfare up here. And then it has some room to run. All right, so we're in a good place. Let's look for pullbacks or breach lines. Wow. That's a little too far, a little too fast. See how the book pressure came the highest at the end? That's the pullback. Here's our ticket death zone. We're actually going back to a sell. See here, the engulfing sweep, that ripped out the book, the volume, the blah, blah, blah. Important bar, up or down. It's catching its breath, right? See it fill that gap. Ticket death, baby. Let's put a sweep and a book pressure on this bar. Oops, missed it. By the time I had clicked the button, the bar had closed. So they're still on. I'm going to do it this way. Let's take a sweep and a book pressure up here. Anywhere up here, we're good. So now again, I'm just looking for a conclusionary. If we get some sort of splatter down here, I would think there's going to be another lift up there. They're offsides. We're in very late. And this was your momentum, double top momentum. We should have one more rip through here. We are back at 19.5 where that number was. I'm going to move that up just a tick. This becomes a magnet again, but not so much the second time. Good. Could rip through there. We're in big sell mode. Who knows? Important that there we go. And we should hit our target and fill. Boink.